This is Jeff LaBerge, July 11th, here in the Viaspace, California hemp field. This is our 75-acre CBD plot. As you can see, the plants are growing very nicely, most of which are in the 3 to 4 foot range, with several approaching 5, some even around almost 6 feet tall. We are experiencing a little bit of loss due to the heat. It's a balmy 105 right now at 10 o'clock in the morning, so that's to be expected. Some of the weaker genetics not surviving, but our plan is to identify the highest producing cultivars and phenotypes in this field and use those for replication next year.